On 14th of September at around 10:30 a.m., APHLC staged a protest against the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council for their negligence in the Assam Direct Recruitment Commission for Grade 3 and Grade 4 posts at Ru Samson Singh Memorial Park, Dipu. The Assam government had recently conducted a direct recruitment examination for Grade 3 and Grade 4 to fill up all the vacant posts in all the respective departments. Therefore, the vacancies for the districts falling under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council is specifically reserved for its citizens. But KAAC failed to utilize its autonomy to conduct separate recruitment drive examination, although it falls under 6th schedule of the Indian Constitution. KAAC neglected its autonomy and just followed the instruction from the state government. APHLC leaders, while speaking to us, informed that CEM, MP, MLA endured the exploitation from the state government. Therefore, there is a certainty that all the job vacancies would be filled with non-tribals under 6th schedule areas.
Jakong masih abe, 3 grade 4 grade, ajakong, boreng kipia jakong anda abe polotang de tum council ke do pia lelo. Labang eno tum charjuna ko poba tum EMCM tum mana arjuna ko po. Lasi alale tum man ki pugang tum ke lain lo, nale tum sumet khang ajakong kachar jakai he ke lake. Ilu tektik lo, kacini ne tektik lo, lapen Karbi mate inglong asopan kacing hon tektik, ke tektin, nai bang lo posinil tum APHLC akhir petame condemn lo.
Parents work selflessly to educate their children with an aspiration to acquire suitable job under KAAC. But these aspirations could alter into disappointment if all the jobs, irrespective of the positions, are appointed to non-tribals under 6th schedule areas in the days to come.
Inglong ang kaitungan sila ilitong long ng G lapen 3rd grade 4th grade anda nang li appointment kipijam jakong nang li da Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council anta nang li power to exercise.
News X report for Karbi Anglong Live.